Meet WeddingMix, where your wedding story is joyfully brought to life by everyone who celebrates alongside you. WeddingMix encourages guest interaction and participation, making your wedding more engaging and fun. And at the end of the day, isn't that what the celebration is all about? Select content creator, wedding video, photo booth, or any mix, each incredibly user-friendly and designed with the latest technology. Sharing is simple. App with QR code, web upload, customizable shot list, or booth software. Guests pick what suits them best, and everything is shared in your beautiful gallery. Just send the links to your guests and watch your wedding story unfold through their eyes in ways traditional services can't match. Let's see why WeddingMix's unique approach is exactly why couples love us, and you might too. Guest content brings everything to life with authentic moments seen through the eyes of family and friends, providing a more personal and intimate story of your wedding. Behind the scenes, our tech, customer service, and pro editors ensure everything shines, combining DIY spirit with professional elegance. Affordable? Absolutely. Save thousands without compromising on the features that matter most. Get more laughs, more tears, more unseen moments, all captured and cherished forever. With WeddingMix, your journey becomes a shared experience, brought to life by everyone's moments.